Assalamualaikum, back again Choi. In this video, I will guide you on my trip to Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve, where you can get close to nature and wildlife. This is also a place where you can have a closer look at mangroves, easy spotting of abundant and thriving wetland wildlife, and also bird watching. Also found couple of crocodiles, so the sign is totally true. And it also near Malaysia, and you can easily see from here the CP of Johor Bahru. The spots that we've seen now is the highest point in Sungei Buloh, named after the bird called kingfisher and are commonly encountered. Migratory birds are the main attraction here in Sungei Buloh. Every year, thousands of migratory birds arrive at the reserve in August or September from their breeding grounds in Russia, Far East Mongolia, North China, Japan, and Korea. Some of these birds take a rest at Sungei Buloh before flying on to Indonesia, Australia, and New Zealand. This is main bridge before we enter the reserve, which crosses Sungei Buloh Besar. This is also a great place for fish watching and a good place to take your selfie picture. The route that I will take is called the Migratory Bird Trail and is 1.9 km. Always have an umbrella and wear comfort walking shoes, breathable clothing, and a hat. Sunblock, insect repellent, and plenty of water are essential, and a pair of binoculars will help you spot interesting species of birds from a distance. I hope you enjoyed this my English voiceover video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks Bak Choy. Assalamualaikum.